June is one of the best times to visit Italy, offering warm weather, vibrant landscapes, and lively cultural events without the peak summer crowds. Whether you're exploring historical cities, enjoying coastal escapes, or immersing yourself in the countryside, Italy in June provides the perfect balance of adventure and relaxation. Here are some of the best places to visit during this time. Venice in June is a dreamlike experience. The first half of the month offers pleasant temperatures before the summer heat fully sets in. Exploring Piazza San Marco, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge during this time allows visitors to appreciate the city's history and stunning architecture without the overwhelming crowds of July and August. The quieter Cannaregio district offers a more tranquil atmosphere for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle. For a unique experience, take a trip to the Lido, a Venetian beach destination with beautiful waters and elegant 20th century architecture. The nearby islands of Murano and Burano are also must-visit locations, known for their glass-making heritage and colourful, picturesque streets. Tuscany in June is at its most enchanting, with rolling green hills, golden sunlight, and a pleasant climate perfect for sightseeing. Florence, with its world-renowned art, is an excellent place to explore before the intense summer heat takes over. The Val d'Orcia region is breathtaking during this time, with its UNESCO-listed landscapes and charming medieval villages like San Gimignano and Montepulciano. Siena, with its Gothic architecture and rich history, is a must-see, while Lucca offers a unique experience with its walkable medieval walls. Wine lovers should visit Montalcino, the home of the famous Brunello wine, or Pienza, a beautifully preserved Renaissance town. For those looking for relaxation, Tuscany's thermal springs, such as Bagno Vignoni and Saturnia, provide a serene escape in the heart of nature. Often overshadowed by Tuscany, Umbria is a hidden gem that flourishes in June. The landscapes are lush and the weather is perfect for both cultural excursions and nature walks. The charming town of Spello hosts its annual Infiorata, a breathtaking flower festival where the streets are decorated with intricate floral designs. Orvieto, a stunning hilltop town, boasts a magnificent cathedral and fascinating underground caves. Gubbio, with its medieval charm and mountain views, is an excellent place to explore in early summer. Assisi, the birthplace of St. Francis, offers spiritual significance as well as stunning architecture, while the Renaissance town of Città di Castello provides a mix of art, history, and local charm. For a relaxing break, visitors can spend time by Lake Trasimeno, enjoying the serene waters and surrounding countryside. Puglia is an ideal destination in June, offering sunny weather without the peak summer heat. The charming coastal town of Monopoli features whitewashed buildings and inviting beaches, making it perfect for a leisurely seaside escape. Trani, with its stunning waterfront cathedral, offers a unique blend of history and coastal beauty. The town of Alberobello, known for its distinctive trulli houses, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Martina Franca showcases elegant Baroque architecture, while Locrotondo impresses with its pristine white buildings and scenic countryside views. A road trip through Puglia's countryside is an excellent way to experience its picturesque towns, stunning coastline, and delicious local cuisine. Located in the region of Basilicata, Matera is an extraordinary destination known for its ancient cave dwellings and unique rock-cut architecture. Visiting in June allows you to enjoy pleasant temperatures while wandering through the labyrinthine streets of Sassi di Matera. The city's Rupestrian churches, some dating back to the Byzantine era, offer an incredible glimpse into the past. While summer crowds start to arrive, June remains an excellent time to explore Matera's history without the extreme heat of July and August. Sicily in June is a fantastic mix of cultural sightseeing and beach relaxation. The island's temperatures gradually rise, making it ideal for both exploring ancient ruins and cooling off in the Mediterranean. Palermo, the island's capital, boasts stunning Norman and Baroque architecture, along with bustling food markets. Taormina, a picturesque hilltop town, offers breathtaking views of Mount Etna and an ancient Greek theatre still used for performances. The charming fishing village of Scapello is perfect for a quieter retreat, while Syracuse's historic centre, Ortigia, is filled with Greek and Roman ruins. The Noto Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features stunning Baroque towns such as Noto, Modica, and Ragusa, each offering a unique blend of history and beauty. The Amalfi Coast is a breathtaking destination in June, with its cliffside villages, turquoise waters, and picturesque landscapes. This time of year offers warm weather and fewer crowds compared to the peak summer months. Positano's colourful buildings and charming streets make it a picture-perfect stop, while Ravello offers stunning panoramic views from its historic gardens. Amalfi itself boasts impressive cathedrals and a lively seaside atmosphere. Beyond the mainland, the nearby islands of Capri, Ischia, and Procida provide idyllic escapes with crystal-clear waters, stunning scenery, and a relaxed Mediterranean vibe. June is one of the best months to visit Cinque Terre, as the weather is warm but not yet scorching, and the famous hiking trails are usually open. The 5 picturesque villages, Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, offer breathtaking coastal views, colourful houses, and charming harbours. Visitors can enjoy boat rides along the Ligurian coast or sample the region's delicious seafood and famous pesto dishes. Due to its popularity, it's recommended to book accommodations in advance, as Cinque Terre tends to fill up quickly. Sardinia is an excellent choice for a beach vacation in June, as the island enjoys warm but comfortable temperatures before the peak tourist season. The Costa Smeralda, known for its luxurious resorts and stunning beaches, offers crystal-clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. For a more secluded experience, the beaches of Cala Golorizze and La Pelosa are breathtakingly beautiful. Inland, visitors can explore the island's ancient Nuragic ruins and charming hilltop villages, adding a historical dimension to their beach getaway. June in Italy is a magical time, offering an incredible variety of experiences. Whether you choose to explore ancient cities, relax by the coast, or immerse yourself in the countryside, each region has something special to offer. With fewer crowds and ideal weather, this is the perfect month to enjoy the best of Italy's landscapes, culture, and cuisine.